In this guide, we are going over how you can unlock Moonslayer's Mastery and how to get the F move quickly here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before you get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, of course, after you do unlock Moonslayer, what you need to go ahead and do is complete the mastery requirements in order to actually unlock the final ability. You can actually do all these mastery requirements right here on top of the right hand on the boss island. But once you complete all of these, it's going to give you extended range compared to the normal melee, making it strong for both PvE and PvP. Your main damage skills are X and C, which are good for combos and pressure, and Z is going to be useful for spacing and starting fights, while V and F are your strongest moves for burst damage. To actually use it effectively, just stay aggressive and keep constant pressure on your enemies, and you will be good to go. Builds that focus on damage and scaling will obviously make, this fighting style so much stronger, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.